Hey, it's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team with a look at your weather information and your forecast. Now, Friday was an amazing day, but very warm across the Denver area. The official high temperature on Friday was 68 degrees at Denver International Airport, which is just 1 degree away from tying an all-time record. Much of the area saw upper 60s here across the Front Range. Now, this is your December summary. The first 20 days here, you see 18 red boxes indicating above average temperatures, only those 2 cool days that we've had. Now, we will likely add at least 9 or 10 more of these red boxes. Really, the only day that has a legit chance right now to have a below average day is the last day, December 31st. So as you can imagine, we're trending very warm here. And in fact, if you look at the forecast over the last 11 days of December, it looks like we're going to come in 5th warmest all time. As you see, the warmest Decembers there, and it's only the 5th time that we have carried an average temperature above 40 degrees in December, where we average below freezing for our average temperature. Now, our Saturday forecast here has a lot more sunshine in store for us, going up to about 63 degrees at the 2 o'clock hour. Very warm temperatures, and we could be coming close to a record once again here as the official start of winter is on December 21st, and we'll have some very warm temperatures to go along with that. 63 is the forecast. 67 is the record high temperature for December 21st in Denver. Warm temperatures all across the area, even 24 degrees in Gunnison. That would be very warm for what they have seen lately. Now, when you look at the jet stream pattern, this is the weather pattern in a computer model here. The high pressure has really built up. It built up very strong on Friday, which is the reason we had that 68-degree temperature here in Denver. And that strength could hold through the day on Saturday, which means we could see the middle 60s or maybe even the upper 60s once again here in the Denver area. And the jet stream pattern is starting to get a little wavier here as we approach the official start of winter, but the storm track is still staying well to the north of Colorado, which means we likely won't see anything significant here as far as winter and in anywhere in Colorado all the way through the rest of December, but hopefully this will open the door for January. Now, you see this little low pressure system here is what's going to go through on Monday. So we're looking at a little bit of mountain snow showers, especially into the northern part of the state. And then this is the latest solution for the Christmas storm. And this bend in the atmosphere looks much weaker and much warmer than it has over the last 2 previous days of computer modeling. So the models update about every 8 hours. And so the trend is for weaker and warmer. I'll talk about that in just a second, but focus on the more initial forecast here. We'll be sunny on Saturday. Clouds and wind return to the area on Sunday, and then early Monday morning, we start to see some snow showers appear in the Colorado high country and out on the western slope. This will be a pretty weak system that'll probably last through the day on Monday. The snow totals are not looking too significant here. Maybe a dusting to 1 inch in some of the mountain towns, 1 to 4 inches in parts of the Park Range, Sierra Madre Range, and the Flat Tops. But the southern Colorado, really south of I-70, not looking at too much in precipitation. Now, here is the forecast for the Christmas storm, and it does still look like we have snow showers moving into the western slope here by Christmas morning. So some of the high country could have a very, at least wintry looking Christmas morning. Those snow showers will just gradually spread across the state. Once it gets out here to the Front Range, it is not looking too healthy, and it looks a little warm. So I think in a situation like this, it's going to try to pull over onto the Front Range, maybe the foothills of a few flurries, maybe a little bit of snow accumulation on the Palmer Divide in between Colorado Springs and Denver. But for the most part, I think the best scenario, the way it looks right now, is just maybe we could pull off a rain-snow mix briefly on the evening hours of Christmas. So we could hit 51 degrees on Christmas Day with that 10% chance to get a rain-snow mix in there in the evening. So on the 7-day forecast, you see the winter comes on Saturday. Record high temperature 67 is in jeopardy, I think. And then as we go through the rest of the week here, all these temperatures, the high temperatures and the low temperatures, even though we have a couple of storm systems moving through, all look like they'll stay above average, both the highs and the lows. So that's your forecast for now. Have a great holiday, and thanks for watching.